When you feel like you need to sneeze, aren't frustrating those 5-10 seconds where you feel like sneezing, but it feels like it's not enough to actually sneeze? Well, someone told me, look at the light, and I thought it was utter nonsense. But one day I tried, and I swear to God, it works. Basically, when you feel like you need to sneeze, you just have to look at some light source. Could be natural, or like a light bulb, or a high illuminated spot in general, and I don't know how, but 90% of the time it'll be enough to sneeze. Save this so you can come back and tell me if I was right. Thank me later.